Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the early morning vlog. Got the S22 Ultra and Ultra Wide mode. Got my Mickey D's coffee, and just wanted to let you know that I received a notification that I should have my S23 Ultra on Monday. But you know how those things can change. You get one notification that tells you one thing, and then you get another notification that tells you another. You know what I always do? I slow down right here because this early in the morning, there's always someone running a red light. There's been so many T-bones in that intersection. I just don't want to take a chance. Anyway, so hopefully it shows up Monday, but I'm not going to be able to get to the unboxing until Tuesday due to the fact that I have a midnight shift Monday into Tuesday morning, so that kind of sucks. But a lot of you have received your I don't know if you ordered in the 23 Plus, or the 23 Ultra, but I know a lot of you are receiving your devices that ordered one of those brand new smartphones from Samsung as far as the latest and greatest, the S23 smartphone series. And super stoked for all of you guys and gals who have received yours. But many of you probably already received notification that it should be either here today, which is Saturday, and if you're watching this video after the fact, Monday, Tuesday. So it's good. Samsung's just sending these out early, plain and simple, and that's really cool. With all of those goodies you got to pick from as well. So you let me know. Did you get yours? Is it coming today, or is it Monday, Tuesday? Either way, it's still early. So I'm excited to start the reviewing process, most likely on Tuesday. So today is, I already said it was Saturday, but it's the 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, so that would be the 14th. It's supposed to be delivered on the 13th, the 14th. So yeah, 14th. Hopefully I can at least unbox it, give you my opinion. You're going to see a lot of unboxings, and these devices on video are going to look the same. Obviously, it doesn't matter what YouTuber is putting out their content on one of those three devices. But everybody may have a little bit of a different take on the feel as far as the device. Give you a little bit more information on that display as far as the minimalistic curve. How much more minimalistic is it? I'll do a comparison up against my S22 Ultra, and definitely I'll be showing you the differences too as far as the mic areas and how they're located differently. Now, I've been doing my best to show you that in videos as far as any of the S22 Ultra cases fitting the S23 Ultra device, which is what I'm bringing in, and it's just not going to work. But I'll show you the location of the mics and the differences in the cameras as far as even though the design looks exactly the same, it's really not. The cameras on the S23 Ultra are a little bit more spread out, a little bit bigger. So yeah, I mean, and that's important when it comes to bringing in cases for any new smartphone. You got to make sure that they're going to be compatible. So S22 Ultra case is not compatible with the S23 Ultra device and vice versa. So yeah, I'm excited. I am definitely excited, and we are in ultra wide mode. Did I say at the beginning of the video? 1080p 60 frames per second ultra wide mode with the S22 Ultra. So yeah, let me know how everything looks, everything sounds, stability, all of that goodness. Man, yeah, I'm getting excited. But I'm going to tell you right now, there better be a difference. And I'm serious, man. I do not like returning smartphones, but if I'm going to be doing side-by-side videos, side-by-side picture comparisons. You're going to let me know if the response, the majority, outside of my own opinion, is like, man, you know what? There really is no difference. It's going back. It's going back. I'll pick up everything and just send it back. Because I already mentioned in another video, my plan is changing. If it wasn't for my wife choosing the S23 Plus, that's what I would have brought in. Don't use the S Pen anyway. It's been many years with the Note series, and now the S21 Ultra with the S Pen, S22 Ultra with the S Pen, and still not using that S Pen. it just doesn't fit into my life. So why? And you know, when you have three phones to choose from, the middle ground, the S23 Plus, I'm sure is going to be amazing for my wife and for a lot of you, especially if you don't utilize the S Pen. You're not going to miss out on a lot. You're really not. When you look at devices that aren't considered flagships, but they're mid-range flagships, a lot of them come with 1080p displays. I'll tell you, 1080p displays today, phenomenal. So most of you, as far as the average consumer, isn't going to complain between a 90 hertz, 120 hertz refresh rate display, whether it's 1080p, 1440p, cameras, as long as you get great pictures and great quality, video quality. You know, most of you live a simple life and you want something really good for the money that you pay, and I'm sure that the S23 Plus is going to be a sweet device. And that's probably what I'll do, is I'll just return if it doesn't pan out. And again, I'm going to gather all the homework from you and myself. If it doesn't pan out, I'll just return it and get the S23 Plus. So anyway, that's it. God bless. Thanks for watching. Again, leave some feedback and leave a thumbs up. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. I'm out.